Today I'm going to talk about some important books for bank exams. For English grammar, you can follow this book Plinth to Paramount by Neetu Singh. Although there are many books on English grammar, in this book you will find the chapters explained in an elaborate manner. So it will be easier for you to understand the concepts, and also the questions at the end of each chapter are good. The next book is Ace English Language for Banking and Insurance. You can purchase this book for practicing questions from different chapters, such as reading comprehension, cloze test, failures, parajumble, sentence rearrangement, and also for practicing mains level questions such as paragraph completion, sentence improvement, error detection, and so on. Okay. Then the next book is from Arihant, which is solely on error detection. I know that most of the students face problem in error detection questions. So you can purchase this book for solving error detection. The next book is What Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. You can purchase this book or an ebook version of this book for enriching your vocabulary. So from this book you will learn new words from their root words. Okay. For practicing arithmetic questions and questions from topics such as number series and quadratic equation, you can purchase the book Ace Quant. In this book you will get many questions, and also the questions are divided in 3 level exercises: beginner, moderate, and advanced. For practicing DI, you can purchase this book, a complete book of data interpretation and analysis. In this book, you will get 2000 plus DI questions. This topic DI plays an important role in your mains examinations, especially for your PO mains examinations. Okay. In the first book, Ace Quant book, also you will get DI questions. After completing those questions, if you want to practice even more number of questions from DI, you can purchase the second book, which is solely on DI. Next, reasoning. So for reasoning, I would recommend you solving topic-wise solved papers, and for this and for solving topic-wise solved papers, you can purchase the book Reasoning Ability Topic-wise Solved Papers by Disha publication. Although this book has a few printing errors, the questions are good in this book, and this book is really effective for your practice. The next book is Puzzle Mania. This book is good for practicing puzzle and sitting arrangement. Even beginners can practice from this book because here also the questions are divided in different levels. 6 जुलाई से स्टार्ट हो रहा है एक complete batch course for SBI PO prelims, and in this course reasoning will be taken by Naresh sir, quants by Narendra sir, and English by me. English sessions will be at 7 p.m. and English sessions are going to start on 13th July. On 1st of July, a practice course on English for SBI PO and clerk mains is going to start, and in this course there are 13 lessons. And then on 20th July, a practice course on English through previous year questions is going to start, and in this course I will be discussing previous year questions. 5 sessions will be on mains level questions, and 3 sessions will be on pre-level questions. Also, from 15th of June, a complete batch for SBI PO 2020 is going to start. Reasoning will be taken by Ankush sir at 10 a.m. Quants by Ashish sir, English by Sakshi ma'am, and current affairs by Kapil sir. All these courses are on Unacademy Plus. So if you wish to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, please use my coupon code Annie to avail a discount of 10%. ANNIE, Annie. Okay, and also please follow my profile. The link to my profile is given in the description box down below. I take free classes from Monday to Thursday at 9 a.m. free live sessions. Okay. Also, please follow my Telegram channel. There you will get updates for all my free classes. Okay, I'll see you again in my next session. Bye.